So here is another question from transformation, and it is from the subject optional mathematics. Okay, let's not always this. I mean, go through the topic chapters, something like that. Okay, the question is here. We need to understand is this question was in fact was in queue and was waiting for a long time. So let's discuss on this question paper. Sorry, question. So the question is a triangle ABC whose coordinates are A35 for B317 and C93 is reflected successively in lines x equals to 4 and y equal to 2. Write down right coordinates of images means we have two images because there are two different transformations, one along the lines x equal to 4 and one along the line y equal to 4. The name of transformation is reflection, you know it very well. So write down, let's begin with the solution. And the question at last is also there is a single transformation given by this combination. When you combine this both the reflections or transformation, and then what is the resultant combination give us. So we should mention that name of the transformation too. Therefore, okay, now let's start. So first part, it's since successively means first you need to reflect in the line all the coordinates in the line of x equal to 4, and the corresponding images should be again reflected in the line y equal to 2 that we obtained from the first transformation, first reflection. So no problem, just write the okay, reflection in x equals to 4. Reflection in this works as likes this works as reflection in line x is equals to k. So x is equals to k. We have the formula pxy. This is our object. Sorry, I need to write that down, but no problem. P, the value of x is given. So just to remember the formula, there should be changes in the x value, x coordinate. So u2k minus x comma y. This is the only one way to remember, so that you need that you can remember the formula very easily. So here is the value x equals to k. The value of x is given, therefore we need the changes in x and y remains same. So now this becomes a 3 comma 5. Similarly, under the same condition, it is, but here is x is equals to 4. 2 into 4 minus 3 comma 5. This is 4 to the 8, 8 minus 3, 5 comma 5. So in B, coordinate of B is 1 7, whose images will be B dash under the same condition, x is equals to 4. Okay, here the value x equals to 4, B dash 2 into 4 minus 1 comma 7 equal to B dash 2 for the 8, 7 comma 7. Similarly, you can do for coordinate C. Okay, these are the images when you reflected the vertices of triangle ABC in the line x is equals to 4. Now again the question, we need to reflect these coordinates a dash b dash c dash in the line y equal to 2, because the question is there is in question we have to reflect successively. We have done in the line x equal to 4. Now it's turn of y equal to 2. So again similarly again pxy reflection in the line y equal to k is p. Okay, x and comma 2k minus y, because the value of k y is given here. Similarly, now we can it is a55 for a55 under the same condition y equal to 2 a double dash related to p dash and p double dash, then 5 as it is, 2 into 2 minus 5, 2 to the 4 minus 5 minus 1. Similarly, b 7 under the same condition b double dash 7, 2 into 2 minus 7, it is a 4 minus 7, it is minus 3, sorry. So lastly, c dash is minus 1 3 under the same condition four minus 3, it's 1. So we have got the vertices of a dash and a dash, b dash, c dash, and a double dash, c b double dash, c double dash. This time I have not graph paper, but you can, I think, plot easily. Well, if not, it's not okay. I will teach you in my next tutorial. So for now, okay, this information need to be plotted in the graph paper. Graph paper is not available with me right now. Now the second question, the last here, the second question is, state the single transformation given by this combination. Remember this, I'll talk this later on in another in your video also, but here we need, when the reflection, there is two reflection, I mean one in the line x equals to 4, one in the line x equals to 4, and another in the line y equal to 2. When a reflection is followed by reflection, then there is in each reflection, in each and every reflection, there is axis of reflection. When those axes of reflection intersect with each other, then it is equivalent. The combined reflection is what did I say? If they intersect, okay, if they intersect, then it is when a reflection is followed by reflection and both the reflection have axis of reflection, that axis of reflection, if they intersect, then it is the combined transformation is rotation, and we need rotation for rotation we need okay, same, okay, so we need angle of rotation. So angle of rotation is that the angle between them, there is axis of reflection, is axis of reflection. So we're talking about, I mean, okay, let's go on to this question. I'll talk generally in another tutorial. So for now, we start the single transformation. First, let's draw this axis of reflection, whether they intersect or not. Vx equal to 4 and y equal to 2. So I mean, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. So we need to draw x equal to 4 line. 1 2 3 4. Suppose this is your x equals to 4. This is x equals to 4. This is axis of reflection. Okay, the mirror, it like works as mirror for the objects, so that we get images. And another, there is y equal to 2. Okay, y equal to 2 is also there. Y equal to 2. So this is positive, y equal to 2. We 1 2. Okay, they intersect. the intersection. The coordinates of this you can be right. This is 4 units and this is 2 units. X y equal to 2. This is value. This is 2 units. So you can easily know that this is 4 comma 2. This is center of rotation. Okay, and angle of rotation is the double of the angle between the axis of reflection. That means here angle between these two axis is theta equal to how much? 90. We need to double that angle. That means it becomes 2 times 90 means 180. So in rotation we need clockwise. Is it whether it is in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction? If it is we first see the nature. We see the nature of images first. Look at it. Let's take one image. 3 5 is here. It is 5 5 is here. So it was first 3 5 is the object. 3 5. Virtually 3 5 is tentatively 3 5 is somewhere there. It is here. 3 5 and your image of 5 5. Okay, 5 5, this image is just opposite of here. That means this side. Okay, 4 is here, 5 5 here is 5 5. This is it as a. So here again the images will be reflected in which line? This y equal to line. So it will be images will be just opposite of a straight and opposite of this this line y equal to 2. So what do we have got? 5 minus 1. So 5 is here, 4 up to here it is 4, and this is 5 minus 1 means here. Okay, we got the final image a double dash here. That means 5 minus 1. See the nature of the object, in which direction it is moving. The object was here and finally object is here, so it is turning in this in this turning I was saying it is turning in this in this way. In which direction it is now? It is in, I think that there is 6 12 9 3. Clock moves. How does clock move? Okay, clock moves this way, and anti-clockwise means this way, but we are moving in clockwise direction. So because of clockwise direction, the sign should be negative. You will be you tell me that the angle of rotation negative and positive often this 180 gives the same value, but this minus also is very is important, is significant in this in which direction in fact the angle of rotation is going on. So I talked to you here. We're gonna state the single transformation. So the single transformation, we the last question and the last sub question was single transformation. So you can write single transformation is rotation about the center of rotation. Rotation about what? Sorry. Rotation about they're intersecting in the at the point 4 comma 2. So 4 comma 2 about 4 comma 2 through a negative half turn. Through negative half turn means negative half turn means minus 180 degree. So to write down mathematically, just this is pxy, that is this is AB, okay, value of AB, because they are intersecting at the point 4 comma 2. So this is your center of rotation. They are intersecting means axis of reflections are intersecting. That is rotation through minus 180 having center of rotation AB is how much? P dash minus x plus 2a minus y plus 2b. But since we know the value of a and b under the same condition, so we know the value of db here 4, 2 minus x plus 2 4 are 8, 2 into a value of a is 4, 2 4 are 8 and 2 2 are 4. So that's all. Hope this will help you. Thank you for watching.